How to contact Zara customer service. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how can you contact Zara customer service. So open up your Zara app onto your device. If you're using a web version or an app, the procedure is gonna remain the same. Next, you wanna go ahead and select the profile or account from the bottom right corner. There, you should be able to find help at the top right corner of the screen. You tap onto the help section. This is going to take you to a page where you can simply go ahead and select what sort of issue you like to you have faced, and accordingly there are options as well. Accordingly, you could go ahead and select can't find what you're looking for. You could tap that out and directly send a request or maybe chat with them or contact them in a toll-free number as well. And that is how you're supposed to contact Zara customer service. Now this is a helpful way. Then you could also open up any browser that you have. On the web address bar, type in Zara customer service. And this is where you could find a multiple link. You could tap on any one of it. And this is how you're supposed to contact Zara customer service. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.